So, hello, mi español es muy malo, pero I'm going to speak in English if that's okay. So I'm going to ask you to envision a world where you can track every single operation that you have, and you can have full traceability of everything that's happening with your operations across the entire supply chain. This world is possible with a real-time digital twin platform, such as the one as Infinte Foundry, a startup founded in 2017, currently with 28 employees split between Portugal and Brazil, does. Our mission is to provide efficiency and innovation, and we have been bringing this mission to many different clients across different industries, and we have been very lucky to work with very impressive partners, because to go further, we need to go together. So we have some incredibly important partners that help us achieve our goals. We work with many different industries because we are all about efficiency and innovation. We provide this efficiency and innovation in a way that is lean, is green, and is digital. Why do we do this? Operations are very little flexible to change. When something changes, whether we want it to change, we have a new idea, or something happens that we didn't want it to happen, we're not very flexible. It's very hard to make changes. And the optimizations are very slow. We need to test everything and spend resources and bring in people. And there's very little resilience to supply chain breakages. There's very little resilience to anything that, like geopolitical context, to climate change. Something changes, and then we cannot adapt fast. So what we do is provide precise digital twin software, which is highly customized to individual challenges for operational efficiency. And we do this creating a digital copy of reality, and then developing virtual sensors and physical simulations. These virtual sensors allow us to measure, see, predict, and simulate all of the things that we cannot see to the naked eye. So we have all of these inputs coming from the cameras, the XLs, the machines, and we have them into the digital twin, this digital copy of the reality. Then we create the sensors, we run continuous simulations, and we have precise control as the output. We start from the small operation, and then we do a zoom out across the entire supply chain. So you have the digitalization of your shop floor, you have it in your transport, you have it in logistics, you have it in your buildings, smart buildings, and you have a digital twin of your entire operation. This allows for worker training with VR and AR, because we have these models developed, we can do some worker training. We can have a sustainability score that we have developed, which is powered by the digital twin, so it's powered by real data in real time. And we can trace and track logistics, manual, automatic operations, everything that could be improved. A digital twin can help us do that. So I'm going to ask you all the same question we asked Gestamp when we started talking about this. What is costing you money? What is costing you time? Where would you like to be more efficient or flexible? Join us in the revolution of industry with digitalization, such as Gestamp has been doing. And George is going to tell us what we have been doing.
Okay, thank you. Well, in Gestamp, we have working over the last 7 years with more than 120 projects for digital twin. And what we are doing is to simulate all the different scenarios to try to find out what is the more low cost and more high performance than we can have for all these scenarios. This helps us to have a better performance and also to take decisions with the low investment. Here we can see a little bit what is doing for us Infinte Foundry. This is here in one plant in Gestamp, where they are. Where they are doing the. Sorry, yes. We have in the left side the digital twin, and we can see the reality. And with them, we can change robots. We can see how we can be putting another robot, improving buffers and so on, and to see how will be the outcome that we can have with that to help us to improve our performance in the competitive sector of automotive. Thank you very much.
Thank you.